You've probably already noticed that some sounds in French don't exist in English. This is the case for the E sound. The E sound is really common in French. It's particularly important for you to distinguish and pronounce it properly. For example, you need to differentiate E from E when listening to some French structures. Listen, le croissant, le with E is different from les croissants with E. Le is for singular and les is for plural. Let's start by a hearing exercise of the E sound. No written form here, just focus on the sound. E. Aller. Café. Télévision. The E sound is not a diphthong and it has no significant variation in duration. You can say E, no, it's not important. Second step makes a difference between E and E. So let's practice. Listen to these words and guess if you can hear the E sound or not. Café, you hear E. De, aller, les, le. Third step, how to pronounce the E sound. To pronounce the E sound, you just have to smile slightly and slightly open your mouth too. E, E. Your tongue is flat and just slightly forwards. E. Try to repeat. E. Again. E. Now repeat the sound E in small words, just to practice your pronunciation. Été. Your turn. Second word. Né. Les. Visiter. Et. Pied. Now to finish. Do you know how we spell the E sound in French? So look at the written form of the word you just pronounced and identify 6 common spelling of the E sound. Did you find them? Yes, you get E with E acute. You get the small word E with E and T. And you have the word that finish with these 2 combination letters. E, R, E, D, E, Z, E, S. To memorize, look again at these 6 easy words and try to read them out loud. Yes, it's été. Yes, it's né. It's les. It's visiter. It's et. And the last one, yes, it's pied. Now, well done. Now you know how to recognize, pronounce, and read the E sound. If you have any examples of French words with the E sound, please put them below in the comments.